If you guys are anything like me and you love burning candles, then you're probably always looking for a lighter or a match. Well, today I'm going to help you solve that problem, and we're going to do it in a beautiful way. So today I'm going to share with you how to create a beautiful container that you can store your matches in and be fine with leaving it out on your countertop or your coffee table or what have you. All you're going to need for this project is a box of matches and some sort of container, preferably a small container. And these two items here, they both came from the Dollar Tree. This one originally came from Hobby Lobby. It had a Hobby Lobby tag on it when I purchased it, but I got it at the Goodwill for $1.19. Okay, so basically this is really easy, guys. So basically all you're going to do is grab a container, like I said, and grab a box of matches. All you're going to do is cut out a small piece of the strike plate, and you're going to glue it on the back of your container, or you can tape it. For the purpose of this video, I just taped it. And once you have placed your matches on the inside, pour one out and light your candle. And this is pretty. You can leave it out on your counter, especially if you have a farmhouse style. This one you might leave out if you have a little bit more glam style. You guys know I'm rustic glam, so this can go out in my kitchen or even on my coffee table. And I kind of like the idea of a somewhat solid container so that you don't see the matches, because the tips of these matches happen to be green, which may be okay for some people, but I just didn't want to see the green tips. So I wanted mine to be in a container that was somewhat conceal what was inside. And on this particular one, because I do have a lid, I put my strike plate on the bottom. And there you have it. And they're pretty for the holidays. You can sit out and have a pretty container, and you don't have to worry about looking for your box of matches. So you guys know that I have already started to decorate for Christmas, so this is where I'm storing my container on my kitchen island. Okay guys, so this is the pink dress that I wanted to use for the tree skirt. And I also picked up another dress, and I was going to decide between the two. I picked up this gold, and this one is the one that I'm probably going to use because of the fullness. The pink one is a little narrow for what I want to use it for. The pink one is not going to work out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to attach the gold dress to the tree. Okay guys, so this was a strapless dress. So I took the top portion of the dress and folded it inside of the dress, and then I took the skirt portion and attached curtain hooks all the way around. Can you see? And so now I'm going to attach the curtain hooks to the bottom of the tree. Okay guys, so what you're looking at here is the base of the tree, and I went ahead and placed the base inside of the urn. And as you can see, it fits in this urn perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and slide the skirt over the urn. just like putting on a dress. Lift it over your head. Okay. I would get a hook stuck in my sweater. Okay. And you guys can purchase the netting from Hobby Lobby as well. Okay, so now that the skirt is over the urn, I'm going to go ahead and place the tree. Okay, so now that the tree is in place, I'm going to take one of the hooks and place it all the way to the back of the tree, to the branch, all the way against the pole, as close to the pole as possible, and just loop it over one of the branches and tighten it. And so I'm going to take each hook and do the same thing all the way around the tree. Okay guys, so here's how it turned out, and I thought I would just toss on a few ornaments and ribbon toward the bottom so you can get an idea of what it would look like when it's finished. But now I need to go ahead and finish decorating the tree. So I hope you like this little sneak peek, and hopefully maybe I can share with you the finished product on Friday. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.